everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Rachel and this is Stitched Up. So how are we all doing? I hope you've all had a really good week. It is Saturday as I film this and I've had a massive cold sore this week. I got this when we were away last weekend. I don't know if I remember telling you, I can't remember, but myself and my husband went to the Peak District last weekend for a few days. I think I did tell you. And while we were there, the weather was glorious. I ended up with a massive cold sore, which always happens when the weather is really nice. And yeah, I've been suffering with it quite a bit, to be honest, because it's sort of attacked my facial nerve a little bit and I've had a really sore face ache, as my husband calls it, all week. So anyway, it's on the mend. I'm fine. And I thought I would just come back to you with a bit of a catch up, chatty weekend vlog, that type of thing. My Fabric Godmother dream wardrobe has arrived today and I didn't want to just do an unboxing because I thought my last vlog was just an unboxing and yeah, I didn't want to put two out straight after each other, if that makes sense. But I thought I'd incorporate it into today's vlog. So I'll start with what I'm wearing, which is something to keep me cool because we are in a bit of a heat wave in the UK at the moment, which is really unusual this time of year, to be honest, because for us, we don't tend to get sort of really hot weather until July, August time. Usually this time of year, it's still a bit rubbish, I guess. And to be perfectly honest, where I am, it is really rubbish because we aren't having the clear blue skies. It's really hot and muggy and oppressive, but it's overcast and dull and looks like it's gonna absolutely chuck it down most of the time. So, you know, it's certainly not sunbathing weather. So I'm inside with my lights on because it is so dull and dark outside, but it is incredibly hot. And yes, I am wearing a really old make actually. This is the Playsuit by Peppermint magazine. It's a free pattern and yeah, it has tie shoulders. Obviously it's just in a black viscose. It has a couple of front pockets. It's a romper essentially, shorts, and it has a side zipper, but to be honest I don't think it needs it because I can get this on and off without undoing the zipper. So it's lovely to wear this time of year because when it's hot, should I say, because it's nice and cool with it being viscose and it's loose. And yeah, so that's what I am wearing today to try and keep cool. I'm not succeeding. And you might want to know what this is. So this is my Belle dress that I am making as part of my membership for YouTube and my Patreons as well. So this is this month's sew along. It's almost complete. I just have to nip into town to get some buttons for the front and do buttonholes and then hem it and then it's done. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. I think it's really good. So I've made that this week as well. I will probably do a separate review of it for my main channel, but if you want to access the sew along for this dress, you will need to either be a patron, whatever they call it, or a member of my YouTube membership on the artisan tier, which I will leave links to those down in the description box below if you are interested. But yes, I just need to get all my footage for the sew along edited and uploaded. I have made a few little changes to the instructions, namely the pockets, I guess. As in, I've completely redrafted the pockets because I didn't like the pockets that came with the pattern. And yeah, but I am super happy with it. This fabric is beautiful. It's a gorgeous viscose that I think I bought from, well, I can't remember if it was Lamazi or Beyond the Pink Door, but one of them anyway, quite some time ago. And I think it might be an Atelier Jupe viscose. It's really soft, it's lovely. So I'm looking forward to wearing that. I can hear the rain. I don't know if you can hear the rain. It's just started raining, but it's so hot. Anyway, so that's that. And then the other thing that I've made this week even, is my pattern test for Madswick Studio. So I mentioned that I was testing their new pattern, which is the Delft dress, and this is it here. So I was using this gorgeous fabric from Rainbow Fabrics, which is a gingham seersucker broderie on glaze, which is a right combination, isn't it? But yeah, and it's got lemons and oranges and all sorts over it. I bought this last year. It has this beautiful sort of scalloped edge to it, which I have incorporated into the sleeves and also the hem at the bottom, which means I don't have to hem it, which is amazing. And yeah, it's got this really interesting sort of yoke detail around the front and back, which really drew me to testing this pattern. And I have tested for Madeline before, and yeah, her instructions are amazing. So that is now finished. I just need to do my feedback form for that and get pictures and everything. This fabric is lovely. The only thing I would say is I thought this was cotton, and it's really not. The seersucker is definitely polyester, which is a real shame because it's such a gorgeous fabric. And yeah, I knew as soon as I sort of tried it on, I thought this feels sticky, plasticky. So how much wear out of it I will get, I honestly don't know, because I don't like wearing polyester next to my skin, and this isn't a lined dress. So yeah, that's a bit disappointing, but it was a pattern test at the end of the day, and it is what it is. So let's get on to the dream wardrobe. This has come today, and I was really surprised when my postman knocked on my door, because he's handed me 2 parcels, and I'm sort of wondering, I don't know, have they made an error and sent me 2 because I've got 2, or is it in 2 parcels, which seems a bit strange, but yeah, they're both labelled for me, so we shall have a look and see. I will open one first and then we'll open the other and see what it's like. So, ooh, now I can see the fabric in this, and I'm going to be honest, it's not my thing. Out of all the Fabric Godmother dream wardrobes I have had, I've loved every single one, but this really is just not me. So, okay, let's have a little look. So we have the QR code for the dream wardrobe, which we scan for the newsletter and sewing notes. So I'm going to scan this, and then I'm going to come back to you and talk to you about the pattern, etc. So the pattern this month is the Juno dress, which is a pattern by Spaghetti Western Patterns. Now, I have seen this pattern before when I have visited the Spaghetti Western website, and I'm going to be honest, I am not drawn to it, and I think it's because it's just very loose and shapeless and no fitting, that kind of thing. And I think for me, I don't think that kind of vibe really suits my shape and body size, etc. It's just not for me. So that's the pattern that I've got, which, okay, it's fine. I mean you will see by the images that I'll put in from the QR code that on Josie it looks incredible. It really does. It looks amazing. But yeah, I think for me, I just don't know that, well, I know that I wouldn't look like that, put it that way, and I don't think I would wear it. However, on the link, it does actually show you a couple of other patterns that might be more to my taste, and has actually made me look at this fabric a little bit differently. I think it's one of those fabrics where when I first opened this box and I looked at it, I thought, oh, all I see is a man's shirt. And actually, I think the I Am Patterns pattern that it shows on here, I think I would wear that and it would work really well. And I know that pattern probably just goes against everything I've just said about lacking in shape and fit and all that kind of stuff, but because it's sort of like a skinny strap like this, you've got a bit more going on the upper bodice to draw the attention away from my hips. Does that make sense? So I think that would be something that I would wear. Anyway, let me show you the fabric. So what you get is this cotton poplin in this stripe, but it just seems so masculine, which is a thing, don't get me wrong. Yeah, I mean, it's nice, it's a lovely quality, but yeah, I don't know, and it's very dark for spring and summer, and I mean, again, that's fine. I love dark fabrics anyway, but I always think if it's hot, it's gonna absorb the heat, isn't it? That's the only thing. But I mean, you can see it's a beautiful quality, absolutely beautiful beautiful quality. So this is the fabric, and yes, I have the matching Gutterman thread, which is always handy to have. And then I've also got a pack of matchy sewing labels. Now, I didn't realise they did sewing labels, but they've included a pack of those, which are there. Let me just open them and I can show you what these look like. The labels are gorgeous, but you know, I love a label. So we have striped ones like so, just very simple. And then the others are little love hearts, like so. These actually, I think, do work really well with that colour. They do work really well. So yeah, that's what we get as our little free gift this month. And there's quite a lot of labels in there. Eight labels altogether, so that's nice. And then we have the PDF A0 copy of the Juno dress in there. As I say, I don't think it's a pattern that I will make, but you know, that's the thing with boxes like this, isn't it? When they're a surprise, it's always a surprise to see what you get. So now I am really intrigued about the second one, because I suspect this is just a duplicate of that, and I have received a second one by mistake, which is probably something I'm going to have to get in touch with them about. Yeah, it is. I have received another one by complete mistake. So I will just drop Fabric Godmother a note and say thank you very much for sending me two. I don't think that was supposed to happen, but thank you all the same. Would you like it back? And see what they say about that. So let me know what you think anyway. I mean, I love a stripe. I absolutely love a stripe, but I just don't know about this one, if I'm honest. Let me know what you would make with it. As I say, it just screams man's shirt to me, and to be honest, I know some of you might say, well, make Martin a shirt with it. He wouldn't wear a shirt made out of this because it's very formal. It's like a formal shirt print, isn't it? And he doesn't wear shirts for work because he has to wear a uniform, so he would not get anywhere out of a shirt made out of this. So yeah, it's totally not giving me any inspiration. Let me know what you think. So that's my dream wardrobe this month. Where I'm at now, as I say, I do have this to finish off, and I also want to get started on a couple of other bits and pieces. I've had no fabric deliveries this week, which is unheard of, isn't it? I've had no label deliveries this week. Obviously I've just had my dream wardrobe, but apart from that, there's been nothing else. Oh, my So Confident box, which obviously that went up earlier in the week as well. But otherwise, nothing new to show you this week. It has been devoid of goodies. That's all I can say. Next week, I am going away on Wednesday. Myself and Martin are taking Layla down to the coast in the south of England for a few days. So we're really looking forward to having a few days away. We're going somewhere we've never been before, which is exciting. It's always nice to try somewhere new, isn't it? So I'm hoping the weather is going to improve. At least, I mean, down on the south coast you tend to have a better chance of weather than we do up here anyway. But yeah, I'm hoping it's not going to be as dull and miserable as it is here, and as humid as things are right now. But yeah, really looking forward to spending a few days with my granddaughter. So short and sweet, I guess, for this weekend, but let me know what you think to this fabric, and do give me some ideas, because I am struggling to think of what I can make with that fabric, and it is such a lovely fabric, it would be a shame not to use it. Right, I'm going to leave it there, because I am going to let Fabric Godmother know that they've sent me a duplicate, and I will be back with you really soon. Take care. Bye.